What's up, guys? Evan Aldo here. So, latest thing in the exclusive Discord, hit another big take profit on my swing short yesterday. Next place I'm looking to take more profits, around 3,600, 36,000, excuse me. Did a small Bitcoin long, being very cautious with the longs right now. I wanted to hedge the bet a little bit, so I did a long. It's in the red right now. We'll see what happens. I mean, I've been on a big winning streak, so I'm due to lose. I mean, if you're following a strategy over time, you're going to be profitable. You lose some trades here or there. It's impossible to be right 100% of the time, but I'm going to keep it in for now. We'll see what happens. It's a smaller position, being way more greedy with the shorts right now just because of how the higher time frames look, and being way more conservative with the longs right now. So yeah, let's get right into it. The first thing I want to show you, and this is on regular candles. I don't look at regular candles too much, but just sometimes if something rare that's bearish or bullish comes up, money flow crossover into the red on the weekly money flow. Last time this happened, I mean, October 2019. So usually when it happens, it's either a huge buying opportunity. This was a black swan event here. This was a pandemic dump. But, you know, you came up and then big V-shaped recovery there. Also, what it's looking more like is over here, kind of, because, you know, big high money flow and then all the way down into the red. Big high money flow all the way down into the red. And then he came down about another 50% here in the next 2 months. About it was, I was measuring it out before, 8 bars, 2 months, 50%. Given that market cap, you know, as market cap increases, Bitcoin trends up over time, gets less volatile over time. I don't think we'll go down a full 50% from here, shy of a black swan event, which could happen. It's hard to predict right now. 50% from here, or 40%, 40%, 30%, this general area. 30% would bring us, where's 30%? 26, around there. I think that's likely. So, or low 20, 23, that type of area. 200-week moving average, people like to look at a lot. Everybody knows about it now, so in the next few months, it might be a little bit higher than it is now. Could be around 21. Maybe everybody will be talking about it, and it just doesn't quite make it that low. That's what I could see happening. So low 20s is what I would be looking for. In the short term, there are some bullish things happening. The daily is giving us some hope. We'll get into it right now. I mean, 3-day confirmed red dot, that's bearish. The 4-day has a red dot as well, that's very bearish. I mean, it is a risky, pretty risky long that I'm taking right now, but I like to hedge the bet always. Red dot there, and then on your daily, here's the bullish case. That's some good curvature. I mean, the last time this happened, on the daily, it was more like this. Good curvature coming up. You know, you might get even, a trigger wave over here. So you definitely got to keep in mind there is a bullish case here. Also, your 16-hour, about to print a green dot. You're into the red, so this is more indicative of sideways, you know, crossover into the red and view up coming up. Conflicting. 12-hour green dot. These usually bring you up a, something. Here it didn't work, but this one brought you up a lot overall. So could come back down, double bottom pattern at 37.4 or something. Bam, you come up to 40, then you finally crash. There's volatility in the market. That's what I'm thinking. Some decent curvature on your 6-hour. There is some hope here. 4-hour, it's like it's trying to come up. You're still back in the red, pretty neutral. And how are your lower time frames looking? It's trying to come back into the red. What I like is on the 90-minute. Sometimes I look at the 90-minute money flow crossover into the green. Good curvature. Not bad. So there is some hope, at least in the short term, to come up for Bitcoin right now. Let's take a quick look at Ethereum right here. Generally the same, weekly coming out with the money flow. We're not in the red just yet, just like Bitcoin in the regular candles. Looks bad. I mean, very similar on these time frames. Your daily has a lot of hope. You know, VWAP coming up. Could get a trigger wave here. Your 10-hour, deep in the red. Usually come up a little bit. Confirmed green dot. Your 12-hour, forgot about that one. Green dot. So there are some green dots. There's always a bullish case, always a bearish case. Been in the red a while on the hourly, trying to come up here. Maybe you could come up and reject off of this spiral line here at 2628. So that's one possibility there. Generally, it looks a little bit more bearish, but for the short term, I think we can get a little bit of a pump up here, maybe. I want to look at Zcash because this has been doing really well lately, and this could perform. The privacy coins could perform well because of what's going on in Russia right now. So it's something to keep in mind. Green dot confirmed on your weekly in the last bar. That's a good sign. Your 3-day. Let's see here. Hopefully this will load. Come on. Yeah, your 3-day. into the red. Last time this happened, we had a nice little pump. Maybe you could pump, theoretically, you could pump back up to maybe, dare I say, you know, probably not all-time highs, but maybe 200. I'm more likely, I got some position on spot on this, more likely maybe lock and suppress at 160 or 150 around there. Your daily looks really good, kind of like everything else. Money flow crossover, very close. Those are powerful. Very powerful signs. So this could be a hidden gem here. It's also backed by the Winklevoss twins. They usually get it right. Not always, but they usually get it right. They've said it's one of the most underrated projects in crypto. They said that a few months ago, and they've been right so far. They said that like in, well, January. Did come down a little bit since they said that in January. I think January, you know, back here it came down, but it's coming back. It's coming back. So I think it could come back to, you know, 150 at least, probably. So there's definitely a decent amount of hope here. Money flow crossover into the green on the hourly. 2 hour, you're trying to come up back into the green here. Could be a good buying opportunity. It could be interesting what happens with these privacy tokens. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to check out my exclusive Discord, some of my calls, stop losses, entry points, take profits, link in the description below. I'm not right 100% of the time, but we've had some really good trades in there. Also, if you want to check out my trading course, link in the description below. 16% off, discount code TRADE forever. I think the course is going to help you guys out a lot. A lot of people have really liked it. My strategies, how I interpret market cipher, trading psychology, risk management, why I think the majority of people lose at this game, and why it doesn't have to be like that, in my opinion. Check that out. And if you want to get Market Cipher, use my link in the description below. 15% off, discount code ALDO15 with my link. And if you want to create a new BITGET account, want to create a new FEMEX account, check out my links in the description below for some nice bonuses that are going on right now. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.